Hi guys, we're going shopping for the puppy. I don't think I really touched base on the puppy at all with you guys, but we got a little baby Shiba Inu. His name is Kilua. He's 8 weeks old and we're picking him up from San Francisco this Friday. But we're making a quick PetSmart trip. I'm also gonna get some stuff for Echo, but I wanted to take you guys along. So let's go. I am such a sucker for any toy that looks like a fruit. Oh my god, this is like a little cake. This is adorable. I'm getting one. I'm trying to introduce Echo to like better foods. Saw that Tiki Cat made pate. So I'm gonna try and get a couple and see if he likes it. He only eats Fancy Feast and literally will never eat anything else. But I'm praying that this helps. What'd you get him?
We got this thing. It's a gate, but it's like huge. And then this one, it's a crate.
And then a grass pad.
Yeah, we're bougie. I'm bougie dog.
We drove all the way to the far PetSmart because this dude had an agenda. He wanted to get T-pumps too.
Come on now.
I'm not complaining though. Echo. He likes it. Echo, that's not yours.
He wants one too.
He is comfortable. Echo, you're so cute. All right, it's puppy pickup day. We're about an hour 30 from Lo's parents' house. I've been sleeping this entire time. We got Echo in the back. What is he doing? I think he was making biscuits. Look, Echo made me a biscuit. Aw, thanks, Echo. Hey. I took a nap and then I woke up and he was just in my arms. He's saying hi. Oh my gosh. We're at the house. We just dropped off Echo. We did not have time to set up for the puppy, but we're on our way to pick him up. And then we're probably gonna stop by PetSmart so that we can get like a leash and all that stuff.
Yeah, so my mom's driving her to St. Louis. I think we
Oh
hold him.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Little polar bear.
Yeah, he does look like a polar bear. I think he's still little.
Hi, buddy. Good job, Charlie.
Hi, little guy. It just rained. I'm sorry. Use the bathroom, Kilua.
I have to tell you something.
What?
You need my friend request.
Oh, okay. I'll add you on Roblox. What a cutie, huh? Oh. Do you like him? Very assertive. Morning for eat, so that way, you know, when she would.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my baby. Come here. You smell the puppy? Hi, Echo.
Yes. Yeah.
It's up to you, dude. Whatever you want to do. Just know there's a puppy. Oh. It's okay, Echo. You don't gotta be scared.
He's like, I liked it better up there. What are those other two?
It goes like, nah, I'm straight.
Oh, he left.
Send them back. Hey. Surround him with. So, like, should I?
Exactly. So you want him to keep. Hi, Kilua.
I just got home.
Also, they only had XL ones. Is that okay?
What that is.
Yes.
Should be distinct so that, you know, it's not.
We're chilling with him. It's currently like, what, midnight? But we're so
Forever.
obsessed.
He's 3 for 4 on potty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
75% win rate.
Danger has not left him alone.
Danger loves him. Literally, like, he might be the puppy.
But wanted to update you guys on what's going on. We love him. He was sleeping. Now he's awake. Oh, he's peeing.
Cookie. Cookie. Let me close the door.
Good night, Kilua. We can't say good night. It's too hard. Good night, Kilua. For real this time. Good morning.
Ready?
Good morning! Hello, little baby.
Good morning. Good morning. You ready?
Kilua, hello.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you, little guy.
I feel like I look like a mom.
The offline TV shirt on.
I don't have like any other clothes. I only brought t-shirts.
Potty?
So we're about to go to PetSmart with the little puppy so we can fit a harness around him. We also need to get him more toys. I want him to choose them. Little bye-bye. He wants to say hi to the camera. Lo got this little prison
No.
for him.
We have white seats. We're inevitably gonna be taking him out.
But he's chilling back there, having the time of his life with his chew toy. And we are on the way
Something
to
from
PetSmart.
Okay, mom. You a pro.
I'm a mom.
You were the mom fit,
I've been through
and you a mom now. You said you look like a mom.
I
Really.
changed into this because I really felt like a mom.
Look at the baby. We're getting Echo some toys so he feels loved.
Isn't this so adorable?
Yeah.
This is for your big brother. He don't care. There's so many options. I was thinking plain black, but doesn't Kilua wear blue? This would be the closest to his shirt. Oh my gosh.
We should get it.
Oh my gosh. He wants this leash with the blue. Why not pink?
Get Echo a leash.
Get Echo a pink one. Hello, baby.
Imagine him with his tie on.
Oh my gosh. It fits. We got this little tag for Kilua. I guess you can. Ooh. There. Ooh. Cute original.
Yeah, I kind of like that one.
Ew.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, original.
Let me show you the options. Lo likes this one. I say original.
I like bald, that's why. But okay, yeah, original.
Original.
Oh, that's so cool.
That is tiny. Oh, can't show you this. It's done.
Look how tiny the text is. It's tasteful, right?
I can't even read that.
You spelled it wrong. I'm just kidding.
Shut up. He's been sleeping this whole time. Look at my little honey. Look at my good boy. Look what we got you. Please like it. We got you all these. Yay! Hey boy.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's what he's gonna.
Kilua. Key.
Be calm, okay? And then he'll be good.
Hi, Jazzy. Can you show them your cute uniform? Give us a spin. Wow. That's
How many
adorable.
spins can you do until you fall? Don't do it. Don't do it. Just kidding.
A lot of progress. So Echo was eating his little treat right in front of him. I decided to lift the flap so that he could see Kilua. We also switched their blankets last night. I'm taking this real freaking slow because I really want them to love each other. Day 3 and I feel like Echo's curious, but it's going pretty well. Sit. Good, Key. Sit. High five. Good, Key.
You are so crazy.
You're being so loud. It's almost 1 a.m. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, good boy. Go get it. It's time for Kilua's first bath. He's been having a couple accidents lately, and he sat in his own potty. We're using this because we don't have any soap for water baths.
Come here, boy.
Do you want next? You're next.
You're doing good.
Echo's doing so good with him. He's like, help me. Hey, buddy.
Come on, man. Brush him.
Oh, Kilua.
What?
You look so sad.